Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrishti and if you're new, welcome. So today I am doing this very minty glam look, and this is one of the staples that every makeup enthusiast must know. So this tutorial is very easy and it is very versatile because you can just change the color from mint to lavender, yellow, orange, whatever you like, and it's gonna be an awesome look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step is priming your face. I have already primed my face and I'll be going in with the second step, that is concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. Next I'll use a beauty blender which is soaked in water, and then I squeezed all the water out. Next I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer over this. I like to set my concealer with a powder, so you can use a compact or loose powder. Now I'm going to do my brows. So I take an angled brush which is wet, and then I use the 24K Nudes palette from Maybelline, and I go in with the darkest shade which is black over here. Because my eyebrows are very dark and very thick and they don't really have any shape, so I have to give them shape, and the only way is using the darkest shade. Because I'm done with my brows. I know they look very weird right now, but when I'm done, it'll be good. Just trust the process. So next I'm going in with this silvery shade for highlighting my brows. Now for the base or the transition color, I'm going in with this skin like color which is closest to my skin tone. I'm just using it for a base, and I'll build other colors up on this shade. That's it. Now what you want to do is go in reverse. So we will be applying the shimmery shade first. For that I'm using this shade on my eye, and I'll apply it all over just like I applied my base with the same fluffy brush. Next I'm going in with the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop, and I'm using this Chances Are mint shade, and for applying this I'll be using this spongy brush. I don't know what it's called. So what I want to do is just take a little amount on my brush like this and then apply it to my inner corners. After doing this step, you want to go over a shimmery mint shade. I'm using this shade, this one, for my inner corners. Next, what we are going to do is drawing a wing like this. So what we're gonna do is taking another clean angled brush, and then I'm going into this dark brown shade and I'm just gonna draw the wing in this direction. Like I want it to meet my brow line, like over here. Now you're gonna go into the same shade that you used, the mint shade, and then go under your eyes. Next, I'm gonna use the liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty in the shade Diamond Dust on my inner corners. Next, I'm using the Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. Now we're gonna move on to the face. So the first thing I'm gonna do is hide these marks. So you can hide your pigmentation with a orange color corrector, or you can just go in with a concealer. I only use a concealer, and I recently did how to hide your acne with only using a concealer on my Instagram page. So don't forget to go on Instagram and check that out. Now that I have hidden all of the marks that I wanted to, I'm going in with my foundation. So I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Foundation, which is for normal to oily skin. So the shade is Warm Nude number 128. So what I'm gonna do is take the foundation, and I don't apply the foundation all over my face. I just apply it under my eyes. Now because I'm doing this gives my face a very lifting effect, and you don't want to forget your neck. Now I'm gonna go into this light brown shade to give my face a more structure. So what I'm gonna do is make a 3 on my side of my face like this. So what I'm gonna do is drag the brown from here and then make the 3 here like the first cut of the 3 over here. Now I don't want to drag in and bring it till my mouth because I have a round face, so I'm just gonna do it till here and then go back and then go down like. This is it. Now the next step I'm gonna do is use a blush. So for the blush I am going in with this very light peachy shade. Now I'm gonna highlight my face, and for that I am using this Bonbon shade right over here. And I'm done. Now all I'm gonna do next is apply a very nude shade of lipstick. This is also from Swiss Beauty. So this is the final look, and this is it for today's video. I hope you loved today's video and you enjoyed it. Also, I hope it was helpful to you. Please comment down below what more videos you want to see on this channel, because I make these videos every Thursday. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye. K love.